Hey guys, what's up? So I got a couple things on my character. I got a crown on my head. There's cheat codes. I'll give you the link in the description, and I'll give you all the codes, and then you guys can be epic. So let's start playing. So let's say this again. There'll be cheat codes in the description. I'll give you the link where you can put them in, but you have to be logged in. And then you can get this free stuff. You can get levels and some XP potions and some like bombs, some wings. So yeah, so all the codes will be in the description because I don't want to leave you guys hanging. So you guys can just go in the description and get some of these codes. So here we go, and let's start playing. If this can load up. Tips and hints. Never mind. I'm not gonna read that. Yeah, I turned off my sound. Let me just turn that back on here. I was getting annoyed by the music. Here we go. Let's go. Okay, let's get this guy. Come on. Get this guy. Come at me, bro. I'm not stupid. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Let's go up here. Don't hurt me. Die. Let's go over here. No. Oh, that was fast.
Be careful, my friend. Ka's army regenerates from those.
Is that like a spawner?
The enemies from spawning.
Oh, it's a spawner. Take that, and they can't spawn anymore. Come on, that almost killed him. There we go. Hey, if anyone here has Monkey Quest, you guys can play with me and I can record it too. So I'll let you guys be in my video.
You must defeat this arena in order to continue. When you defeat the once activated arena.
Shut up! I don't
if
care.
Timer runs out to
I
activate the
don't
arena,
even care.
All monkeys in your group need to push a different hand plate by pressing the button on the screen.
If you guys want to make videos with me, just add me. And sure. Okay. Oh no, what do we do? Oh no. What are you doing? I am lagging. Get away. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh no, Amazon, go away. Now let's go up here. Okay, someone has to tell me this. Who's disliking my videos? When I uploaded my part 1, someone disliked my video like after like 2 minutes after I uploaded it. And I'm like, who is doing that? Hey, can I get that? See if I can get that. Can I get that? Oh, sweet. I don't really care. It's probably gonna be something sucky anyway. Yeah, I hate scripts. They're stupid. Don't you hate scripts? I don't know what it is though. I'll look at it later. Okay, let's go. Hey, look, monkey. Okay, monkey, calm down. Monkey, you're going haywire. Okay. There we go. Ooh, another chest. Give me something good. Come on. Come on, monkey. What I get? 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 Oh no, another script. Please tell me they're not the same. Where am I even going? I don't even know where I'm going. Whee! No, 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 no. Yeah, let's talk to this guy. What's up? What's up, sir?
You're pretty good at finding things. Perhaps we should test your skill.
No thanks. Ooh, what's he saying now? Find 10 monkey. Find 10 monkey king idols. Okay. Now let's see some of that. Monkey king idol. What is that? What is that? I just saw something up there. I just saw something. What is that? What is that thing? What's this? Wait, is this like a treasure chest? Oh, it's one of those things. I hate those. I don't even know what they do. They give you sucky stuff. I don't. Why would anyone want a piece of wood? Like, honestly. That will never come in handy, ever. That will never come in handy. I can guarantee that. Never come in handy. Come on, jump. Why am I jump? What? Okay. Okay, I think I'm lagging. Leave me alone. There's like 3 minutes left until the video ends. Come on, jump. Take me up, take me up. Let's go up. Go up. Okay. Jump. 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 Okay, we got 8 out of 10. Next one. Let's go. It's right here. Hey, where is it? Do we go in here? I'm confused. We have to cross the bridge. No! We're gonna have to go back up there, don't I? Let's go back. Are you kidding me right now? I don't know what this is, but I'm lagging. I don't know if you can see me, I'm lagging, but I'm lagging. If you can see this, you can tell I'm lagging, right? I'm lagging? Yeah, I'm lagging. I wish there was like a teleporting tool where you can just teleport and you're already there. You know what I mean? Like, this is a lot of walking. Okay, jump. Jump! Okay. No, oh, really? Okay, jump. Why can't I jump? There we go. Jump, jump, jump. What? What is going on? Jump, 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 jump. Get this. Now we have to go all the way back. Anyway, thanks for watching this episode. This sucks. And I'll return this quest. Bye. See you guys.